Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by prioritizing safety. Unplug the amplifier and wait 5 to 10 minutes before touching internal parts to let caps discharge. Once done, remove all input and speaker cables so you can isolate the amp from external sources that create ground loops. Next, power the amp and use a multimeter to check chassis-to-earth voltage. Small millivolt readings are normal, but higher voltage reveals grounding or mains issues that often cause buzzing, so note the values for later comparison. Now you dive into the amp's internals to find the noise source. Start by tapping tubes lightly and swapping suspected tubes because microphonic or weak tubes often produce hum. Make sure tube sockets are clean. Then inspect PCB solder joints and ground straps for cold joints or corrosion. Reflow joints and replace bulging electrolytic capacitors since failing caps cause ripple and buzz. Also, reroute and shield signal wiring away from transformers and mains so electromagnetic. Finish by reassembling and testing the amp with a known good cable and speaker. Test at normal playing levels because some hum appears only under load. If the buzz returns, try a temporary ground lift on the input, a die box with ground lift, or a hum eliminator to see if a ground loop is the culprit. If problems persist, systematically swap the preamp or power amp section or use a battery-powered source to isolate which section produces buzz. If still unresolved, seek a qualified tech.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.